Hello everyone, this is Joe with G.I. Joe's R&R. Today I'm going to talk to you about the first of 3 different things that you need to buy in order to use the 12 gram CO2 cartridge rocket called the Mach1.7. As of today, that works with a 1.5 inch pipe and a little nail in the bottom, and then these Crosman 12 gram CO2 cartridges. And today I'm going to talk to you about these cartridges. Here's a picture of the box. Boom, there you go. Little less full than whenever I first started using them. So I designed the entire rocket around these and several variations of these, same brand. The most critical thing for you to know if you're going to use a different kind of CO2 cartridge is that, for one, it should be a 12 gram CO2 cartridge. I don't think you're going to fit anything else in that design, but also the outer diameter is going to be about 0.73 or 0.74 inches. And for you non-America, for everyone else in the rest of the world, the outer diameter of this guy is 18.74 millimeters, so about 19 millimeters. And so if you're going to use another cartridge and you want to make sure that, say you already own some cartridges and you just want to make sure that those will fit before you buy this design, then that is the most critical dimension. If the outer diameter of this is consistent with whatever you've got outside of these Crosman 12 gram cartridges, then you're going to be fine. Just go for it. So that's all that I wanted to say. I believe it's the first of 3. I'll put a link in the description on where you could buy this. They're pretty common in airsoft and in different air guns. So should be, if you're in America, it's at your local academy. Pretty easy to find. And yeah, there you go. All right.